We're going to do this like, hey, buddy, what are you doing? Come on, man. You know what you did, too. You know what you did, too. Here we go. All right. Whoa, uncommon thing. Good swerve. Holy. The rider up front. You guys see that? So real quick, uncommon thing in a common situation. These roads, we see a lot of people coming into our lane to pass other vehicles, right? So if we're in this area, just take a look at this, everybody. Burn this image into your head. Maybe somebody might be passing. Maybe somebody might be passing. So great job with the staggering and the distance between the staggering. You can barely see it way up here. You're going to see a red car come in, but then you're going to see the person swerve far to the right and then come back in and everyone else swerves. Very good. Situationally aware. So he's going to swerve. So this vehicle was being a dum-dum. You can barely see it. So I'm going to try to make it on this one. But look at that. Look at that. Everyone's swerving to get around it. Good job with the red stage maneuver, whoever this is. Hey, Zalard the Dobre. If that's your buddy, tell him I said good job. Whew. All right, so parking lots, many different intersections. Each one of those open spots is an intersection, and that's exactly it. Hey, swerved around it. That's exactly what we do in a parking lot situation when we practice. We're going about 20 miles an hour, 15 to 20 miles an hour, practicing our red stage maneuvers. And that's exactly it. So what I was talking about is this person doesn't have it completely closed. But right here, that's an intersection, 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 intersection. Those are all intersections. This is a line of sight problem right here. You can't see that white vehicle behind the red one. This person stopped because they all want to do this. So this is a good chance for a path of travel, good chance for path of travel, good chance of path of travel. Why? Because it's an intersection, an intersection, intersection. That's why you don't haul ass through parking lots. So we're going 20 miles an hour. And now this person comes out. And what do we do here? Total stopping distance. This is the time we have to react. This is the distance we have to react. Can we stop in time? Probably. We could probably brake in time. But if we can't, what do we do? So we're trying to brake, then we swerve if we have to. Yeah, we do it. And he chose to swerve instead. And that's perfectly fine. Got himself out of that situation. Very good. Very scary. But just remember, this area right here, this area right here are intersections. Treat it like intersections, and you'll have a better time in a parking lot. And also, exactly, Benjamin, also children walking around, but pedestrians. Got a new one. Here we go. DK, 100-something miles per hour. Okay, long line of vehicles. What's the pattern? Our lane is open, right? Hey, cop, what are you doing, cop? Oh, shoot, I was going 100. He's going to speed up anyways? Whoa. Whoa. Where are we at? I want to know more. What happened? What happened? Holy crap. Here we go. So we're going 100-something miles per hour. Probably recognized it was a cop. The cop probably wasn't having his radar going or something. I don't know. And the cop switches over because of what? Big open lane. Stacked car, stacked car. This state trooper wants to get around everybody. It could have been this vehicle wanting to get around this person. So when you see a big open spot like this in front of you and stacked cars to the right or the left of you, you have a merging problem. And guess what? On interstates or highways or whatever, where you don't have cross traffic, the only real problems that you have are these on-ramps and off-ramps and then mergings problems. That's pretty much all you have. You don't have cross traffic like an intersection. So always watch out. But this is that pattern I'm talking about. Lots of vehicles. One of them's going to want to get out because the other one's slow. We have big open lane. Now, to do this in front of a cop, though, interdesting. We were going 100, and now we're going 82. And we're going to do this like, hey, buddy, what are you doing? Come on, man. You know what you did, too. You know what you did, too.
This
Octopodes, here we go.
hit the brakes and came too close to ending.
There's brake lights for a while now.
car.
Brake lights for a while now. What are we doing here? Oh, found the escape. Didn't mean to do that. He slowed down a lot faster than I thought he would. Got within a few inches of him. Was sure he was going to pull me over, but he didn't ever notice me. Whew. Got lucky. This is what you call finding the escape path. Okay? But should we have to do this every time? No.
Too long.
So we got lucky.
Brakes and
Real quick, look at what happened. We were switching from the right lane. So we switched from the right lane to get into this lane. Okay, kind of understand the situation. We got brake lights up ahead. We don't know exactly why he's applying the brake lights. We do later on that the brake lights are happening because it's a stacked row of vehicles at the next intersection. But we can't see that. Look at the line of sight. Do you see what's around the vehicle? No, you do not. So maintain the space cushion. So if it starts getting... I do this every freaking live stream, everybody, at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Tuesdays and Thursdays, if you haven't seen it. This, okay? And this. What am I doing here? This is the cop car right now. And right now, between me and the camera is a certain distance. Let's say it's this distance. Maintain that distance when you're driving. Maintain that distance. If you start doing this, you're getting obviously closer. But how can you tell if you're getting closer? Okay? It gets bigger. It gets bigger. Okay? So when we see this right here, look how small it is. That's what she said. And look how big it's going to get.
He's right
That's
on
what she
the
said.
police car.
It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. That means we're getting closer. We still can't see around the vehicle. We don't know why they're slowing down, but we're having to slow down ourselves to maintain what we originally had. This is what we originally had, basically. It's getting away. It's getting away. It's getting away. So we should be applying the brakes also and trying to match how slow they're going. But here's the thing. If it fails, you screwed up, whatever it is, you weren't paying attention, I don't care. I want you to be safe. So find your escape. Good job with that escape. Good job. That's all I care about. Did a good job. I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. Show of hands in the comments if you have crashed your motorcycle or have ever had to deal with motorcycle insurance. Go ahead and write it down. For those of you that don't even have motorcycle insurance or you're looking to possibly get a better deal, Progressive is sponsoring this video and wanted me to talk to you about how easy it is to get a quote. So I decided to go ahead and get one myself, and it took me less than 3 minutes to do the whole process, absolutely free. Got an email with the quote, and now I'm working through the process there. Go ahead and do it. Links in the description. Very quick, very easy. I'll see you in the video. Side of the vehicle or side of the motorcycle. Oh, collarbone easily, but it looks like it's good enough to where he's not going to do it and break it. Oh, what were we trying to do? We're going to have to watch that one real quick. All right, how you feeling, man? You feeling good? You need any medical assistance? We can rescue another rider using our trauma kit that we have on the store, the rescue kit. But he seems to be fine, so I'm not wasting my my stuff on him. Yeah, get out of the road, bye. I'm going to go get my Starbucks now. Just kidding, Dutch Bros is better. Anyways, we're going up here next to Azalea Street. And we have the side of the motorcycle and a left turner. So we're going to be going as the motorcycle into traffic. We're the cross traffic. We had a left turn lane right here. We had a truck coming in. We didn't really navigate that very well. Maybe we weren't paying attention too much, so we collided right there, screwed up, and it's like, oh no, we are, losing control of the motorcycle. So what do? We kind of apply the brakes and dump the bike. So we talk about braking in a braking video that we have on Motorcycle Training Concepts YouTube channel, and we talk about this right here. Okay, so if we're riding and we're looking left, turning left, and then slam the brakes, we're going to go left. If we look right, turn right, slam the brakes, we're going to go right. If we look straight, handlebars are squared and pretty much at a T with you and the bike, and we squeeze the brakes, we're going to go in and up. Okay? So look left, squeeze in, down, look right, squeeze in, down, look forward, squeeze in, stay up. So when I see this right here, is I see that he's losing control, and this is a typical beginner thing in a parking lot even, is that you're going to do some stuff, and you're kind of like this, and then you squeeze the brakes because you don't want to go into traffic, right? So straighten up those handlebars as best you can and squeeze the brakes. So that's how we kind of dump the bike. Let's take a look at that again. Losing control, squeeze the brakes, and dump the bike. There we go. Matthew Andrews. So it's at the beach area. Watch out for sand and gravel. And then poor roads. Look at all that sand. Don't get near it. Maintain a nice smooth arc because we're going in a roundabout. And your buddy dumped it in the sand.
Even fell.
Steven. Damn it, Steven. Damn it, Steven. Come on, Steven. Anybody know where this is at? This looks familiar.
Dude, you idiot, I told you.
Well, I'm glad he's doing okay. He lost his shoe.
Turn it off.
That's Seal Beach.
I turned it off already.
Somebody saying it's Seal Beach?
What's it?
Doraza.
I don't even see any damage.
Yeah, this dude lost his shoe.
He landed in the sand. I know.
I saw some damage.
You're good. At least
Telltale sign of a beginner right there. Telltale sign of a beginner. Come on now. Come on now. No, I'm glad he's doing fine. He had a jacket on, shorts, it's whatever. So look at where he fell. It was probably slow speed. Right in the dirt. Right in the dirt. So practice your slow speed stuff. Practice. You know, I'm not worried too much about this guy. He's probably doing fine. He's just probably a new rider. Probably a new rider. There we go. Jamie, my stuff. Here we go. Riding around. Watch out for anybody backing up. Watch out for anybody wanting to park. Also, we're like right on them. Different cultures, different types of way of doing things, but that's not what I'd be doing. Don't be passing people in congested areas like this with this much room. And that's universal when it comes to being a smart rider. You don't have a good position for safety. You don't have very good line of sight, so locating hazards is pretty tough. You don't have a space cushion in front of you, to the sides. You don't have escape routes. Now, you can locate hazards. You probably locate it, but you don't have enough room to do much. You got very lucky that the horn actually worked, okay? Can't really adapt, can't really navigate. Plan your ride a little bit better. This is a no buenos. No buenos. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.